Data governance is a system for defining who within an organization has authority and control over data assets and how those data assets may be used. It encompasses the people, processes, and technologies required to manage and protect data assets. The Data Governance Institute defines data governance as a system of decision rights and accountabilities for information-related processes executed according to agreed upon models which describe who can take what action with what information and when, under what circumstances, using what methods. This is an example of data governance that can be considered by a financial institution. Here, it considers the metadata, data architecture, modeling and design, data quality, storage, security, data warehousing, references, and master data, documents and content, and also data integration and interoperability. We've discussed the importance of data quality in the previous subsection. Take another pillar here. Say, master data management. Data management includes establishing a master set of data on customers, products, and other business entities so that data consistency is ensured among different systems across an organization. If you're wondering, is there any tools that can help us in data governance? Some examples are shown here. This magic quadrant shows different data quality solutions in terms of completeness of vision and ability to execute. If you would like to assess data governance maturity in your organization, there are several models that you can refer to. For example, this one by Gartner. They proposed 6 phases of maturity, ranged from unaware, which also indicates immature data governance, to effective, which establishes sophisticated data governance. In the zeroth level, which is unaware, there is no or least data governance, information, security, standards, data models, and others. Commonly, information is scattered and inconsistent across different systems and applications. And due to these reasons, decision makings are not based on sufficient information. To start moving, leaders in the organization can start with gaining more education about risks of legal and compliance issues. Level 1 is when basic awareness is cultivated. The organization leaders start to be aware of several lacking, such as data ownership, standards, principles, procedures, models, and so on. To move further, the enterprise information management can be further investigated. Level 2, reactive, is when basic information management is implemented, such as information sharing, policies, and etc. Often, at this stage, the adherence is still low, thus, more cultivation strategies can be carried out. The next level, proactive, reaches when more formalized models are implemented and complied. Operational risk is now minimized. The fourth level, managed, is when information is viewed as being critical. Information policies and standards are set up and well understood throughout the organization. The organization leaders can work more on sustaining information excellence. The highest level, effective, reaches when the information management is well understood as a competitive advantage and is used to create values and efficiencies. Information management in the organization is sufficient to always lower risk and increase productivity.